To express gratitude for the hard work of all employees over the past year, EagerLED held its annual gala to celebrate the company's growth and breakthroughs in the field of LED display solutions. At the annual meeting, the general manager delivered a speech, reviewing the achievements made in the LED display industry in 2025 and expressing gratitude to all employees. Following the speech, the company held an annual awards ceremony to recognize teams that performed outstandingly in the development of the LED display business. After the awards ceremony, a relaxed and enjoyable raffle was held, bringing the annual meeting to a climax. Finally, all employees participated in a celebratory dinner, bringing the annual meeting to a perfect conclusion. We all look forward to achieving new breakthroughs and developments in the LED display business in 2026.